Hi, welcome to my channel again. The beekeeping season has started again and the weather's been funny. Some days been a bit colder and now it actually seems like the proper hot weather has started now. I had an incident on one of my hives. It's this one here. Somebody sent me a video of them basically swarming out yesterday, so I think the swarm has happened. I looked around but couldn't find the swarm anymore. So what we'll be doing today is opening that hive up and see what we find. Probably there'll be loads of queen cells in there, so I'll knock them out and leave only one for the new queen to come out. And we'll also check on this one as well, how they're doing. They've got double broods, I'm hoping. There's no queen cells in there. Let's go and inspect and see what we find. A lot of them are gathering out again outside, so I wonder what's happening. Let's open them up and have a look. there you go. That's a queen cell in there. That means the old queen has definitely swarmed out yesterday. And that's a capped one as well. So let's keep that one safe here. Well, let's see if we can find any others. And if we do find any others, we'll just knock them out. So there's only one new queen that comes out. Fully capped as well. Cap brood everywhere. There's a queen cell down there. It's a small one, so I'll just knock that out. Just making sure that I don't leave any queen cells in there. Oh, there's two small ones here. As you can see, there's one here, there's one down here as well. I'm just gonna push this one up as well. And let's compare the two. No, I think that one looked healthy, so I'll just take this one out as well. There's another queen cell right at the bottom here, so let's take that out. Take this one out too. Check all the corners. There is one more here. It's capped as well. So she's gone. That queen cell's gone. So check the other side. Sure, that's a drawn brood. Just took that out just in case. Yeah, I think I've knocked out all the queen cells. Just leaving one healthy one. Just double make sure that I've captured all of them. The reason we take out all the other queen cells is because the more queens come out, the more they're going to start swarming out, because the new queen will come out, she'll realise there's another queen cell in there, so she'll take some of the bees and she'll swarm out as well. So I'm going to leave one healthy cell in there. So the new queen comes out, and just start off as normal. Put this hive on the floor because I'm going to change the stand, as this stand is a bit broken. So I'll put that on the floor, put the new stand in its place, and then put them back on the stand again. I think that hive is acting a bit crazy because I think they've been open for too long. Put the queen excluder on top of that and a super, and when I close the lid, hopefully they'll calm down. that was it for today. As you can see, what I've done here is took out all the extra queen cells that were in this hive, left one good healthy one for them, and also added a super on top. Did the same thing with the other one looked alright. They didn't seem to be swarming anytime soon because they've got double brood, so I think they're fine. But then because the hive looked quite overcrowded, so I've added a super on top of that as well. Come back and have a look next week and see what the situation is.